Hello guys, so we're back again with a new mountain bike video, another one, the second one. And today it's really wet and it's raining, so we're gonna be doing some mountain bike maintenance today. And it stops raining, I'd love to go outside. And so once it's day again, I'm gonna just record all day. Because the coronavirus, we have a month off, packet. That means more videos for you guys. I'm gonna try and upload daily. I just made a new channel called Shred It. And yeah, and it's gonna be my mountain bike channel. It's non-gaming there. So this will be on my main channel and that channel. So we're gonna be changing the front tire today. Rear is for another video. So this is a very short video. It's just something to do because I'm bored. So these have the quick release levers. You see it right there. Right there. And then there's this little knob right here too. So if you wanna, I'm gonna set the camera up. This garage is kind of a mess. I will have some videos here though, by the way. So stay tuned for those. I don't know if you can see anything. So you want to hold this right here and then pull. Get this unloosened. And just, so if you're going, you literally just sit here, do this, and there, it's off. Magic, right? So this way you can check your PSI if you're tired, and make sure it's good. Thank you, Sir Vaughn, for this. Yeah, so, whew. So that will be it for this video today, guys. First let me put this back on. So you want to align the disc brake with the brake. This is a lot easier than the rear one. Hold this, remember, and go the opposite way, and then you'll be ready to go on the trails and shred it and send it. Because tires are very essential for your safety. Oh, geez. Okay, so this will be it for the video today. There we go. So that will be it for the video today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. We'll have some more content coming soon. So see you next video.